Let's be honest, not everyone loves exercise. Some people hate running. Some hate the gym. Some get bored doing the same routines. And some simply don't have the time or energy, especially with work, kids, stress, and life. But here's the surprising truth. You don't need to exercise to get healthy, lose weight, boost energy, or improve your body. There are simple, enjoyable alternatives that give you real results without forcing yourself into workouts you hate. So today I'm revealing the best things you can do if you hate exercise and how they improve your body just as effectively as traditional workouts. Let's begin. Why people hate exercise. Most people hate exercise for reasons they don't talk about. It feels like a chore. You feel forced to do it, not excited. It's uncomfortable. Soreness, sweating, heavy breathing, not fun for everyone. Gyms can feel intimidating. Crowded, noisy, confusing machines, people staring. Not seeing quick results. You try for 1 to 2 weeks, nothing changes, motivation breaks. The routine becomes boring. Treadmills, push-ups, sit-ups, again and again. But here's the good news. Movement does not have to look like exercise. You can burn calories, improve your heart, strengthen your body, and boost your mood without doing traditional workouts. Here's how. Hack number 1. Walking is a superpower. If you hate exercise, walking should be your best friend. Walking is gentle, relaxing, beginner-friendly, free, extremely effective. Benefits of walking: improves heart health, burns fat, boosts metabolism, strengthens joints, reduces stress, improves sleep. How much do you need? Just 20 to 30 minutes a day. You can break it into 10 minutes morning, 10 minutes afternoon, 10 minutes evening. You burn calories without even feeling like you exercised. Make walking enjoyable. Listen to music. Listen to podcasts. Walk with a friend. Walk in a nice park. Walk indoors if it's hot. Small steps become big results. Hack number 2. Turn housework into a workout. You don't need a gym. Your home is already a workout zone. Activities like sweeping, mopping, cleaning, organizing, gardening, laundry, cooking, all burn calories, sometimes even more than a gym session. What household chores do for your body? Burns fat, increases daily activity, strengthens muscles subtly, improves flexibility, reduces stiffness. This is called NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. It means your body burns calories from any physical action outside of exercise. You can lose weight just by staying active in your daily routine. Hack number 3, dance, don't exercise. Dancing doesn't feel like exercise, but it burns a massive amount of calories. Put on your favorite playlist and move. For 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. That's it. Benefits: boosts mood, improves flexibility, burns calories fast, strengthens your core and legs, reduces stress. This is one of the easiest, happiest forms of movement. Hack number 4, turn movement into a game. If you hate exercise, you need fun, not intensity. Try activity-based games, VR fitness, step challenges, app-based movement games, dance games, sports-based video games. These keep you active without realizing it. Your brain thinks it's play. Your body thinks it's exercise. Hack number 5, try slow movement workouts. Not all workouts need to be fast or intense. Slow movement workouts are perfect for beginners. Stretching, yoga, Tai Chi, Pilates, mobility routines. Benefits? Improves posture, increases flexibility, reduces back pain, strengthens muscles gently, improves balance. Just 10 minutes a day makes a big difference. Hack number 6, fix your diet, because diet greater than exercise. If you truly hate exercise, here's good news. Your diet controls 70 to 80% of weight loss and energy levels. This means you can transform your body by fixing your food without intense workouts. Focus on high protein, fruits and veggies, whole grains, healthy fats, drinking water, reducing sugar, avoiding processed foods. Even without exercise, your body will feel lighter and healthier. Hack number 7, walk after eating. This 5-minute habit is incredibly powerful. After every meal, walk for 5 to 10 minutes. Benefits? Lowers blood sugar, prevents fat storage, improves digestion, improves metabolism, reduces bloating. This is one of the most effective and easiest anti-exercise hacks. Hack number 8, move for joy, not weight. If you hate exercise, stop thinking of movement as punishment. Movement is medicine for stress, mood, heart, joints, digestion, sleep, longevity. Find things you enjoy. Walking with music, stretching at night, dancing in your room, playing with kids, walking your dog, taking stairs slowly, swimming, cycling lightly. You don't need intensity. You need consistency. Final message. If you hate exercise, you're not alone. Millions of people feel the same way. But that doesn't mean you can't get healthy. It doesn't mean you can't lose weight. It doesn't mean you can't improve your body and mind. The secret is simple. Move your body in ways you enjoy. Make movement part of your life. Not a punishment, not a chore, but a lifestyle. You don't need the gym. You don't need heavy workouts. You just need to start small and start today. Your body will thank you. Your energy will thank you. Your future will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It helps more people and take control of their health. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next video.